Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Alpha Trade, and today I want to show you guys a very powerful strategy. Okay, this strategy is so powerful that you can use it to trade boom and crash, to buy the short candles, right? To buy the candles, can use it for boom and crash. This is the 500, you can see, to build the small accounts. Okay, you can just use it to take the small candles, take like 5 to 10 candles depending on the trend you are on. So take like 5 to 10 candles and you are out of the market. Okay, so this is a good example. And before I proceed to this, I want you guys to like this video. Okay, drop your comments. Okay, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Okay, also check the description box down below this video. Okay, you are gonna see a link to my Telegram channel, so that you can be a part of the family. I also have a custom indicator, a customized indicator that gives you signal when to buy and when to sell, and I assure you this indicator is super accurate. Okay, super accurate. People have bought this indicator and they have been testifying, right? They've been a lot of testimonies. Okay, there have been a lot of testimonies. I can even show you, right? I can even show you. There have been a lot of testimonies about this indicator. Now look at this. This is a super example of it. This is an example. You can see this. You can see where it gave this signal here. Yeah, you sell. You sell. Can see this is a buy signal. You catch this spike. Okay, you can see this also a buy signal, and you catch all these spikes, multiple spikes, right? Okay, this is how it works. This indicator is super accurate. Can see this. It gave us a sell signal here, and we sold all this. Look at it. So the indicator is also available. If you are interested in getting it, you can also contact me. Look at it here. Look at this. This one is a live trade, right? A live experiment. Can see it gave us a buy signal. You're gonna see, and it's still playing out. So you're gonna see it's playing out. Okay, look at this, it's playing out. Remember, my trade is still on, so I'm still going to go there and check it. But I've taken up to 5 candles, and then you're out. The strategy I want to show you guys is how to take 5 candles and you are out. Okay, but I'm showing you how this indicator works. This is a custom indicator. You can see at this point here, yeah, at this point it gave us a buy signal. You can see that's something there. This is a support level here. It gives us a support line, also gives a resistance line. You can see this is where it gave a sell signal. This place you are seeing this red arrow here. Okay, here it gave us a buy signal here. Look at it. This place you are seeing this stuff here, and then you can see what is happening. So this is the power of the indicator, guys. The indicator is so powerful. Okay, now let's go back to what we had. Okay, this is it also. Okay,
this is it. It gave us a buy here, and we got this. Now give us a sell here, we got this. See support and resistance, we got this one. These are resistance. Now it's giving us a sell, we got this and that support. It has given us a buy signal. Now let's just watch and see how it play out, guys. Let's see it. You can see this. Wow, this is massive, guys. This is crazy. We have got this spike already. Let's watch. I just want us to watch this play out. I don't mind if this video will be, wow, you can see it again. I don't mind this video will be long, but I just want it to play out so that you see it, how it works. You see and believe for yourself. See it for yourself. This is not like one of those strategies they just take a screenshot, decide that worked out very well, and they send to you as a picture for you to see. This one you are watching it play out. You can see the support and the resistance. Once it gives you this resistance, guys, if you see a sell massively. If it gives you support and you see a buy massively, because it is going to buy. Catch all the spikes, guys. Catch it. This is it. Once it gets to this support, once you are buying and it gets to resistance level, you should be able to take your profit, right? And then wait to see what will happen again. It can still go further. But this here, you should be able to take your. Wow, you can see what is still happening. Guys, this strategy, this indicator is super accurate. With this strategy, your financial life has transformed. I am telling you, your financial life has transformed.
Okay, so guys, you can see this indicator, this custom indicator is powerful. I put in a lot of work. into it to be able to come up with this. So let's go straight into the video I have currently. Let's go straight into it and see how it is. Maybe I need to go and close it now. I must have taken my 5 candles, right? Yeah, I must have taken my 5 candles. Okay, yeah, you can see this is powerful. I've taken my 5 candles. Let me now close it. You can see I'm actually growing this small account, and I use the least lot size. You know why I have to take only 5? Okay, it's not even 5. Let me see. 1 2 3 4. Let me see how many it is. 1. Let me count the number of candles I took. Oh shit. Let me count the number of candles I took from here, yeah, to this point. This is about 7 candles, right? 7 candles. Meanwhile, this is where the signal came. This is where we got the signal. This is where we got the signal actually here. Yeah. So I should have entered the trade here, but I came a little bit late. See, this 10 candles, right? And I'm still holding confidently. Can see I have to hold confidently till I did everything I did, and now this is it. And I'm going to close this trade, right? I'm going to close this trade. Let me just close it. Can see this is so powerful, guys. Trading with confidence, right? Trading with confidence. That is how to make profit from the market. I'm building this $19 account. You can see. Let me show you. I funded $19. Yeah, $19. That was what I funded. Okay, so you can see it. Now I am trying to build it. It's very possible. Last time I funded 19 and I raised it up to 120 something dollars, and then I had to make my withdrawal. Now now I have funded 19 again, and I'm trying to build it. That's how we do it. To make profit from the market. Okay, take money from Deriv, not Deriv taken from us, with super powerful strategies that are super accurate. Okay, now let me close this trade and then show you how this strategy works, right? Let me close it and show you how this strategy works. You may say it's small here, but slow and steady, small and consistent, you are making profit. Okay, now let me show you how this strategy works. First of all, you have to go go to your higher time frame, maybe 30 or maybe 15. Any one of them is good. You can see here, this market has spiked up to this point, right? It has spiked all the way from here until you got here. Okay, it spiked up to this point. Now you can see this is a level here. Okay, let me just show you. This is a level here. Okay, this is a level here, and so it has come to this level. Now remember, when the market comes here, this is a kind of minor resistance, right? This is a kind of resistance, and if it is going to break it, it must first of all pause a little. And what does it do when it pauses? It retraces, right? Since the market has moved from here all the way from here to this point, even if it will break here, it will first of all retrace a little, right? Retrace a little. So you know that at this point you are going to have some retracement. Now you are not going to bank on this level as you are not going to bank on this level as a support, as a resistance level, okay, to conclude that there is going to be a change of trend. So we are going to say up to this level. No, you cannot just conclude that. There are more things you need to see before you make that conclusion. That's I'm going to talk about in a later video, right? But now this is what to do. Since we are using this indicator to trade, you come to your higher time frame. This is my 15 minutes. Okay, so I see that the immediate structure of the market is that it has come to this point. It has taken a downtrend. It has sold for long and come to this point, and then bought. So giving me this V formation, right? Giving me this V formation, and then it came here. This is same level with this. You can see that it just spiked after it had closed, right? Now it is going to make some retracement. It is possible it will break here, which if it breaks this level, we know that the market is going to be buying for long. Okay, so but before ever it will break here, it is first of all going to make some retracement, right? Then look at this level. You can see here. Now Now it is going to make retracements up to this point. Now when it makes that retracement up to this point, you can expect spike, and already the spike just happened, right? The spike just happened here. You can see it. The spike just happened. So that's it. Once we have done this, then you are good to go. You can see the spike that just happened, right? So once you have done this, then you are good to go. You can now begin to use your day stage. You have confirmed that the market is going to at least sell for a short while. So you go to your lower time frame. You can come to your lower time frame, M1. Okay, you now see this signal. Now once you notice this signal, once you see that this signal has come, you know that you are going to buy, but strictly you are going to take maximum of 10 candles, right? Maximum of 10 candles. So you see I took about 7 candles because I entered late, right? I entered late. This is where we are supposed to get our entry. Our entry was supposed to be somewhere here. This is okay. This was supposed to be our entry here. This was supposed to be our entry. This was supposed to be our entry. Okay, so you can see if you are entered there up to this point, this was 14 candles. It gave us 14 candles before. On the fifth one, it was a spike. Okay, before giving us this spike, we had already 14 candles. So I was able to take half because I entered late. I was able to take half, right? Because I entered late, while the other one had gone, and I took it very confidently. You saw how it was. So this is it. I made my analysis. So make a little of this analysis before you take your trade. You don't just jump in straight into it. You might get caught like this one here. You can see this one. If somebody had jumped into this one, the person might have been caught up on the way, right? Like this. Let me see. Okay, you'd have been caught up on the fourth candle, right? So you don't just jump into this like this. So let me show you how it works. We have take note of this. You can use any zoom level you want, but the thing is that this is the first zoom level here. You cannot see these things clearly, so it's obvious that you will not be able to use it. So this is the second zoom level. Okay, you may see it a little bit clearly and you may choose to use it, but I can't use this, so I prefer using the third zoom level. This is the third zoom level. I can use it. Can use the fourth. See, the fourth is clearer, but it's too big for me. I can't use it, so I use the third zoom level. So if you are looking for zoom level, I suggest the third zoom level, right? So now the market might still be selling as we are seeing here, but that's not our business for now. We have taken the number of candles we wanted to take and we are out. Okay, so now the first thing to take note of is you must go to your higher time frame to make your analysis to find out the trend. Then second thing, that zoom level is the third zoom level, right? Third zoom level. And then the third thing is that we have three moving averages here. Three moving averages. Is that what we are using? Three moving averages. That's what we are using here. One is green color, another is blue, and another is red. Okay, yeah. So the green color is one that gives us the signal. Now when it crosses the blue color, right, when it crosses the blue moving average, it says to you get ready to enter, right? It says to you get ready, so you are getting ready to take your trade. Now when it crosses the red one, it has been confirmed, right? Then you make your can see the spike that happened now. Assuming we are still holding, it would have cut us big time. Okay, so now as you make your entry, as you see the line cross the green moving average cross the red one, you take your trade. Okay, you take your trade. That's it. As you take your trade, then that is a sell, right? For boom, it's a sell. Take your trade, and then you take 5 to 10 candles, maximum of 10 candles, and you are out. Okay, so you take between 5 to 10 candles and you are out. okay, and that's going to give you some massive profits depending on your lot size. And it is going to help you to be consistent, guys. Consistent. I know that consistency is the soul of this business. If you can be consistent no matter how small, see, if you can take $2, like you see here, I took about $2, right? I took about $2. Oh, sorry about this. I took about $2, right? Okay, $2.1. So if you can be consistent with this, $2 every day in a month, you are having up to 100 and something. Okay, let's say in a month you're having up to $60. Yeah, $60. That's a big money, right? It's a huge money, and you can have more than that as well. So that just to be that is to be conservative, right? So you can take more than that. Now, when the green line crosses the blue line, you get ready. When it crosses the red one, you make your entry, right? So it works. Now you can see. Let's do some back test. Look at this here. The same thing happens. It worked. Let's see. You can see a lot of examples. I told you, make your research from a higher time frame. Look at this. It worked very well. If you didn't make your research for a higher time frame, you might enter into trouble. Look at this. It worked very well here, very well here. You could have taken tons of candles and you are on profit. Okay, look at this one. It worked very well. Look at this one. It worked very well also. So if you can make your research properly, as I said, go to your 15 minutes time frame, catch the trend first. That is the first thing. Catch the trend. Look at it here. It worked very well. As soon as you catch the trend, you can always ride the market and take your profits. You can see how it always worked here. It worked here also. Look at it, worked here also. So this strategy works, guys. The way I have shown you guys is the way it works. Let us also see crash. Okay, let's see, maybe crash. Let's take crash 1000 now, since we used crash 500 in the other one. Now look at it, crash 500. This is for buy, right? So we're going to be buying here. We're going to be buying here. This strategy we're going to be buying. And look at this. Look at this. You can see here, and then you are buying. You are buying all the way to here. Such a long buy. Look at this also, taking all this long buy. Look at this. You might have taken this also. Okay, but you have to be very careful. You must go to your 15 minutes time frame to check the trend. Once you discover that it's an uptrend for crash, buy or not. Follow the signals. But if it's not a downtrend, don't follow the signal. Then if it is on the ranging market, you can also follow the signal. The signal also works on the ranging market, but on the ranging market you must not exceed that. You must take just 5 candles, right? 5 candles. But on the downtrend you can take 10 candles. Sometimes you can take more. Like in this case, we would have taken more. Okay, you can see. In this case, we would have taken more, even up to 50 to 30. Let's see. In this case, we would have taken more, like massive. This would have been a massive buy for you. This would have been a massive buy for you. Yeah, more than 50 candles, right? That is it. Okay, so guys, this works. If you found value in this strategy, I want you to subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to be coming up with several more of strategies, right? And I'm going to also be bringing strategies to catch spikes. Remember, I have an indicator that you can use to trade boom and crash. It can help you to catch spikes, right? Use it to catch multiple spikes, like I showed you guys earlier. Use it to catch multiple spikes. Also, you can use it to trade these short candles and take long trade, right, without fear of anything like spike. So that is how it works. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you very much. This is the alpha trade. Check the description box down below this video. You're going to see a link to my Telegram channel, and also check my playlist. You're going to see other videos, a lot more of other videos with strategies to milk this market. Okay, I have strategies to trade boom and crash, to catch spikes, and also to trade the small candles. I have strategies to trade volatility indices. I have strategies to trade step index. I have strategies for you to trade, what do you call it, jump index. yeah, so check out all this and you are going to see them, right? Thank you guys for watching. Alright, so let me show you guys the settings for this. Let me show you the setup for the indicator. Now look at the indicator here. These ones in the indicator window, forget about it. It's not part of this strategy. Okay, it's not part of this strategy, right? Okay, so this is where we are considering. We have 3 moving averages. So I'm going to show you how to set it up. Okay, how to set it up. Now the first one is the green moving average, which is period 5 shift 0 method simple, apply to close. Okay, style 2, and just exactly the way you see it here, right? Okay, then the second one is this. The second moving average is period 10. Okay, this is the blue moving average. Just take it as you see it here on the screen. Okay, screenshot it like this and set up for yourself. Okay, all right. Now the third and last one is this period 21 shift 0 method exponential, apply to close, style to pixel, color is red. Okay, that's all. Okay, so we set it up and it's going to be like this, and use it to milk the market. So this is the setup. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, right? Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and drop your comment if there's anything you don't understand. Drop your comment in the comment box below, or say thank you for this video. If you want me to make any other video, right? If you want me to make any other video, just comment in the comment box and tell me do this video. Let me know. Okay, just tell me make a video on how to trade this or on how to apply this strategy. Okay, and I will do that almost immediately. Thank you guys.